three-phase electrical applications, there are specified color codes for wire insulation to help identify the different phases. These color codes are particularly important for safety and to ensure proper connections. For a 120/208 volt system, the standard color coding is typically red, black, and blue. Each of these colors represents a different phase in the three-phase circuit. For a 480/277 volt system, a different set of colors is used. The standard color coding for this higher voltage system is orange, yellow, and brown. Again, each color signifies a separate phase. Utilizing these color codes helps electricians and technicians easily distinguish between the phases, reducing the risk of incorrect wiring and potential electrical hazards. Consistent use of these color conventions is a crucial element of safe electrical practices in three-phase installations.